Hello everyone. My room's a mess again. I feel like as soon as I clean it, it just gets messy again. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me cleaning my room because it is not it, sis. All of that up there. Oh guys, why do I do this to myself? It just gets so out of control so quickly and it's just super annoying. So let's go and get it sorted. I think I'm gonna just start on the floor and get this all out of the way so I actually have room to like walk around. So I've got loads of stuff that needs hanging up. I think all of that needs to go in my wardrobes. Can we just talk about the mess of my organisation at the moment? Because if you see my other cleaning, oh my god. Because if you see my other cleaning videos, you'll know it's all neatly in like this. But over time, it's kind of just been a dumping ground with every drawer. So let's sort this out now. My beauty drawer's a mess again. What a surprise. Oh, also I got this new shower scrub from Lush and it literally smells like oranges. It's amazing. And look how orange it is. Oh, it smells so good. The smell of it actually, like, it really smells like real oranges. I tried to make pure orange juice the other day, like with one of those like lemon like juice squeezers, if you know what I mean. It took about 11 oranges and I didn't even get a full glass, so props to whoever does that on a daily because I couldn't. Also, I'm currently saving all of my empty Lush tubs. If you didn't know already, I use Lush a lot. So I have all of the, oh that's still got something in it. But I've got all these tubs that, like, once I've used all of the tubs, I'm going to just clean them out and send them back, and they give you 50p for them. And I think it's if you send 10 tubs back, they give you a free face mask. So I'm here for it. Yes. to replot my plant. Like all the soil is like kind of gross. I don't know what's happened. You can't even tell much on camera, but like all the bottom just looks really gross. It definitely needs replanting. I'm so satisfied with my room now. I need to bring my plant back up, oops, but yes, it's finally clean. Yeah, and I had to change outfit because it was way too hot for that jumper. Like, why do I always decide to film a clean video when it's really hot? But yeah, that is my clean with me video for today. Like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.